Let us quickly solve this problem. The sum of the currents I1 and I2 in the figure below is what? Now, if you look at this diagram, you will discover that this 10 ohm resistor and these two resistors are in parallel. Please, what I'm saying is that this and these are in parallel. And you know what that means? When two resistors are in parallel, it means that the voltage across them, across each resistor, is the same. So, meaning that the voltage across these 10 ohms is 12 volts. The voltage across these two resistors also is 12 volts. But for us to understand it better, let me draw another diagram. To solve this problem, we don't need to draw another diagram at all. You just need to understand what we are saying. But let's do another diagram. So what I'm saying is that we have a voltage, so which is still 12 volts. So here we have the 10 ohm resistor, here like this. Now, but these two resistors, if they are in what? These two resistors together, they are in what? They are in series. These two of them like this, the way they side by side like this, they are in series. So I will say R total equals to, let me say R total equals to R1 plus R2. So meaning that this is 5 plus 10. And that is going to give me 15 what? 15 ohms. Now, when two resistors are in series like this, the total or the combined resistance is going to be the addition. We just add them when they are in series. So these two are in series, we added them. And then that means we have combined them, the two like this, to give us 15 what? 15 ohms. And that is what we have here like this. So you can see that we don't have two resistors. So we have combined this to give us this. So here, the I2, our I2 is here like this, and our I1 is here like this. So we can now picture this very well, that these two resistors, they are what? They are in parallel. Now, and when two resistors are in parallel, you have to learn the rules. It's actually more than one rule, but when two resistors are in parallel, remember, the voltage across each is the same. That means this voltage here is the one passing across these 10 ohms. The voltage here is also the same thing passing across these 15 ohms also. So meaning that I can use this 12 volts for each one independently. So what I'm saying now is that I can say V equals to I2R. To find the current in this 10 ohms resistor, the current I2 passing through it, I'll use V equals to I2R. But now, look, when we are trying to say I2, it means that the resistance has to be 10 ohms, because this is the current passing through the what? This 10 ohms. So, and since the voltage is the same, I can use this voltage here and say 12 is equals to what? I2 times what? Times 10. So, and to get my I2, I will just divide both sides by 10. Divide both sides by 10. And I can say I2, that is our current, is equals to, I just do like this, and I have 1.2. 1.2 what? Ampere. That is the current passing through this one. Now, I'm done with this side. Now, I can also use V equals to I1R. I1R for these 15 ohms too, separately. Do you know why? Because the voltage is the same for each one. So, I'll just use my 12 here, which is 12 is equals to I1 times what? What is my R here? 15, like this. So, what I'm going to do now is that I will divide this by 15. So, I'll say 15, 15. So, 15 cancel 15, and I can say my I1 is equals to 12 over 15. And what is 12 over 15 going to give me? Well, I can say 3 is going to go here 4. 3 is going to go here what? 5, right? So here, how many 5 am I going to see in 4? That is going to be 0. I can put 0 here now. How many 5 in 40? That's going to be what? That's going to be 8. So that's going to be 0.8 what? 0.8 amperes. Now the question says the sum. What is sum? Addition, right? So it means that the sum I1 plus I2 is going to be, what is my I1? 0.8 plus what is my I2? 1.2. So meaning that is going to give me what? 0.8 plus 1.2, that is going to give me 2.0 what? 2.0 ampere. And that is the sum of both. Remember that I may decide not to draw the diagram. I will just know that I will have to combine this and use this and this separately like this, and I'll get my answer. Thank you.